FAQs about Crassula capitella. Crassula capitella, often known for its vibrant, flame-like foliage, is a fascinating succulent that draws many plant enthusiasts. Here's a detailed look at common questions and concerns about this plant, including its care, propagation, and suitability for different environments. See more 220 species in genus Crassula at monsteraholic.com. What is Crassula capitella? Crassula capitella is a charming succulent native to South Africa. It is renowned for its rosettes of fleshy, triangular leaves that can display a range of colors, from green to bright red, especially when exposed to full sunlight. The plant's most popular variety, Crassula capitella campfire, is particularly noted for its striking, fiery appearance that resembles a campfire. Does Crassula capitella campfire grow in Phoenix, Arizona? Yes, Crassula capitella campfire thrives in Phoenix, Arizona. This succulent is well suited to the hot, dry climate of the region. Phoenix's intense sunlight and arid conditions mimic the natural habitat of Crassula capitella, making it an ideal location for this plant. Just ensure it is planted in well-draining soil and receives ample sunlight, as these factors are crucial for its growth. How to care for Crassula capitella? Caring for Crassula capitella is relatively straightforward. Here are some key tips. Light, provide bright, indirect light to full sun. In Phoenix, this can be achieved by placing the plant in a spot where it gets morning sun and afternoon shade. Watering, water sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil, use a well-draining succulent or cactus mix. Crassula capitella prefers soil that drains quickly to avoid waterlogging. Temperature, this succulent thrives in temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It can tolerate brief periods of frost but should be protected from freezing conditions. How to propagate Crassula capitella? Propagating Crassula capitella is quite simple and can be done through leaf or stem cuttings. Leaf cuttings, gently twist a healthy leaf from the stem. Allow the leaf to dry for a few days until a callus forms on the cut end. Then, place the leaf on well-draining soil and lightly mist it. Roots should develop in a few weeks. Stem cuttings, cut a healthy stem just below a leaf node. Allow the cutting to dry and form a callus. Then, plant it in well-draining soil. Water lightly until roots establish. What to plant with Crassula capitella? Crassula capitella pairs well with other succulents and cacti. Consider mixing it with Echeveria, for a beautiful contrast in colors and textures. Sedum, to create a varied, low-maintenance garden. Aloe vera, for a functional and attractive succulent combination. Can you grow Crassula capitella indoors? Yes, Crassula capitella can be grown indoors. Place it in a bright location, such as near a south-facing window. Ensure it gets enough light to maintain its vibrant colors and compact growth. Indoor environments can sometimes be more humid, so ensure the plant is in a well-draining pot and avoid overwatering. Is Crassula capitella toxic? Crassula capitella is non-toxic to humans and pets. It's a safe choice for households with animals or small children. However, as with many plants, ingestion in large amounts can cause mild gastrointestinal upset. Common problems with Crassula capitella. Overwatering, this is the most common issue and can lead to root rot. Ensure the soil is well draining and avoid letting the plant sit in water. Sunburn, while Crassula capitella loves sunlight, too much direct sun can cause leaf burn. In Phoenix, providing some afternoon shade can help prevent this. Pests, watch out for mealybugs and aphids. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Compare with other similar succulents. Crassula capitella can sometimes be confused with other succulents like Crassula perfoliata and Crassula falcata. Crassula perfoliata, this plant has thicker, rounded leaves and is generally less colorful compared to Crassula capitella. Crassula falcata, known as the propeller plant, it features more elongated, paddle-shaped leaves and lacks the vibrant color of Crassula capitella. In conclusion, Crassula capitella is a stunning and hardy succulent that can add a vibrant touch to both outdoor and indoor spaces. With its easy care requirements and unique appearance, It's a wonderful choice for succulent enthusiasts.